Hello and welcome to this next tutorial in Python, and specifically object-oriented coding in Python. Now, I had a comment from one of my subs about working in dark mode, and just quickly I'm going to show you how to set up Python to go into dark mode, which is actually a quite nice way of working. It does tend to look better. We can go Options, Configure Idle, click on Highlights, and we can just switch here from Idle Classic into Idle Dark mode. And we can click apply and OK, and there we have it. We're now in dark mode. You might have also noticed I've got line numbers on, which doesn't happen in default in idle. You can also click on options as well and click on you'll have show line numbers there, which is also really nice if you get an error to help you debug the code. Anyway, on to the main content for the day, which is inheritance. So one of the biggest advantages of object-oriented programming is we can inherit another class. Now, all we have to do is create another class, and I've just called this class students, and pass in as a parameter the class that we want to inherit. So you can see here I've got class person. I've just put the name of the class inside of the brackets here, and all I've done here is put pass. So pass you can use when you're just starting to build a new class and you just want to test it to see if everything works, so we can just use it straight away. Now down here you can see I've made a new object from my student class. I've given him a name and I've given him an age, and I'm printing it. I can also access the change name method from the person class straight through from student, and I can then print the name. Now all this is getting inherited by my student class, and I can use it straight away. So without having to write any more code except for this, I've now got all the functionality from my person class. Absolutely fantastic. So let's just run the code and see that in action. And you will notice over here, when I run it, it prints Mike, which is here, print x.name. I've then changed Mike's name over to Bob using the change name method from the parent class. And you can see, yep, he's changed his name to Bob. And then my original code from the last tutorial is still here, all working beautifully. So that's a really simple way to show inheritance in Python. You literally just create a new class, you put the name of the class you want to inherit from into the brackets, and then you can use everything you've previously created from the other class. Well, there you go. Just a quick little tutorial on how to do inheritance. We'll go into this in more depth in a future tutorial, but have a nice night and see you all again soon. Bye for now.